Hi everyone, I'm Josh Ziering, founder of Kittyhawk.io, and today I want to talk to you about Kittyhawk's Recreational LAANC implementation. If you're not a big policy nerd, don't worry, it's super simple and I'm going to explain it to you today. LAANC stands for the Low Altitude Authorization and Notification Capability set forth by the FAA. No longer do you have to call the tower to notify them or go to websites and fill out forms. Now you can use the Kittyhawk app to simply and easily notify people of where you'll be operating and control the airspace. Remember, this is about safety, and being able to understand where people are operating, whether it be drones or full-scale aircraft, is paramount to the safety of the national airspace system. The new recreational LAANC opens up the airspace for hobbyists to operate there as well. Now you can use the Kittyhawk app to simply give your area and altitude, and from there you'll be able to share securely your details with the tower so that if they need to, they can get to you. This is a very big release from the FAA, and we're so excited to be a UAS service supplier that's supporting it. Remember, just because you have a LAANC authorization does not mean that you have the right of way. Always give way to manned aircraft and make sure that safety is always your first priority. From here in San Francisco, I'm Josh. Fly safe.